Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel that is Optics and Eye Health. Today we want to look at ophthalmic instrument that is referred to as the slit lamp. So a slit lamp is a binocular microscope with a high intensity light source that produces a narrow slit of light that is used in ophthalmology to examine the anterior chamber, posterior chamber structures of the eye and magnification. So we can start by looking at the systems of the slit lamp. The slit lamp looks like this. So this is the slit lamp. And the slit lamp has got three systems. We have what we refer to as the mechanical or support system. We also have what we refer to as the observation system. And then we have got the illumination system. So when we start by the support system consists of the base. So this is the base, what you see here. This is the base of the slit lamp. The support of mechanical system also consists of the joystick. This thing you see here is what we refer to as the joystick. Its function is to actually adjust the slit lamp. It can move forward or actually anteriorly. It can also move the slit lamp backwards or behind or posteriorly. It can also move the slit lamp side by side. And when you rotate this joystick, you can see, it can also move the slit lamp downwards. Now it's moving upwards when you rotate the joystick, and when you rotate it in the anti-clockwise side, it moves the slit lamp downwards. So we have said the support system has got the base, it also has the joystick, it also has the on and off power button, it also has what we call light adjustment knob. It's supposed to be here. This thing you see here is what we refer to as light adjustment knob. Then we have this adjustment knob that moves the slit lamp, actually the base up and down. This one here, you see when I rotate it like this, the slit lamp is also, the entire slit lamp is moving up. This is just to adjust when you want to get the position of the patient clearly. And when you rotate in the anti-clockwise direction, you see the slit lamp moves downwards. So another component of the support system is the handles. You can see here. This is the handles where the patient holds. So the patient sits on this side and his hands are positioned on these handles. So the handles are also part of the support system of the slit lamp. Then we have what we call the chin rest. This is the chin rest, and this is the forehead rest. So the patient sits here, he holds on the handles, and then he positions like this. So you realize that the chin touches here. This is what we call the chin rest, and the forehead is supported by this structure here, what we are referring to as the forehead rest. So the patient positions like that. So we have seen the support system has got the base, it has light adjustment knob like we have seen that side, it has got the joystick, it has also this patient support system, that is the chin rest, the forehead rest, and the handles. Now we come to illumination system, this one here. the illumination system has got the light bulb that is inbuilt here. The illumination system also consists of what we refer to as the levers. Lever that actually adjust what we refer to as the filters. So we have the cobalt blue filter. This blue thing you see here is what we refer to as the cobalt blue filter. When you bring it at the middle here, that is the neutral filter. And then when you bring this side on the green area, that is what we refer to as the red free filter. So this is the lever that adjusts the filters, and we use these filters in different circumstances. For example, at the cobalt blue, we use cobalt blue when we want to examine the cornea of the patient with fluorescent dye, so that we get to see the structures clearly. And we use the neutral when we are doing the normal examination of the eye. So on the illumination system, we also have this knob here. This is the height adjustment knob. It adjusts the height of the slit, this structure you see here. And then down here, we also have another knob, which we refer to as the width adjustment knob, this one here. So it adjusts the width of the slit, while this one adjusts the height of the slit. So we have seen the illumination system. We have the inbuilt bulb here, what we are referring to as the illumination bulb. Then we have the lever that adjusts the filters that you want to select depending on what you want to examine. Then we have this height adjustment knob, which adjusts the height of the slit. And at this point here, when you are using this knob here, it shows the different heights of the slit. So when I move this knob here, you can see there's movement in that screen. Those are just indicating the height of that slit. So when you move this knob here, you can see that movement there. For example, this is 2, then this is 4, then this is 5. So those are just the heights, different heights of the slit. So the illumination system also has the width adjustment knob, as we have mentioned. So that forms the illumination system of the slit lamp. Then we have what we refer to as the observation system. The observation system is this bit here that you can see here. So observation system has what we call the eyepiece. This is the area where the doctor sits and examines the patient. So the doctor sits on this side and he adjusts what we call the papillary distance. Then he observes through the eyepieces. So these two structures are the eyepieces. And for example, this one has a magnification of 15 times and 15 times on this one as well. So these two are the eyepieces. On the observation system also, we have what we refer to as the magnification knob. So when you move this knob here, for example, at this point it is on times 10. So the magnification on the other end is 10 times. When you rotate this knob here, then that is 16. You can rotate it further, that is 25. So this is the magnification knob. On the observation system also, you can see this is a planeted tonometer, this thing here. It is used actually to examine the intraocular pressure, this structure you see here. And then we also have the face shield here, just to shield the breath between the doctor and the patient. Before you start using the slit lamp, there are things you need to make make sure that they are in order. First of all, you check the connections, make sure that the slit lamp is well connected to the power. So you must make sure that the power is switched on, and then you must make sure that you put on the slit lamp on this power knob here and confirm if it is producing light. That's when to see if it's functioning well, and you can see this one is okay because there's that light there. So from there, that's when you position the patient this side, the way you have demonstrated. Then the doctor sits on this other side to examine the patient. So this is the magnification system. We have binocular microscope lens inside this observation system here. So basically, that shows what the slit lamp is. And I think we have exhausted the entire components that you're supposed to know on the slit lamp. So remember to subscribe to our channel. It's called Optics and Eye Health channel. We are present on social media, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. So make sure you subscribe, you follow us for subsequent presentations. Thank you. Let's meet in the next presentation.